Greetings, fellow traders. Bubblehead here, and it's time for the lunchtime market update for Tuesday, February 11th, 2020. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only, not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Let's check and see how things are looking here on the SPX today. So, I really prefer these candles. It's much more fun trading in these. Today we got a little bit of a gap and a little bit of a go to hit all-time highs. And right now we're at a spinning top right now. A little bit of a doji type candle with an upper shadow. So let's see if we can get some strength in the afternoon, or if we at least close green today and get some more upside on this thing. Now remember, 3,400 is about the top of the channel on the SPX, kind of coming up here. So let's see how it holds. Again, generally still bullish until proven otherwise. Even if we did a bump and run type move right here from this level to this level, you can see that we're still above even a micro trend line. So we'll see how that holds. They may want to fill this gap and then bounce it, and we'll see where they go from there. So let's just continue to keep an eye on that. So basically today we're back in the 15-orb range. We had a nice gap up today, 15-orb breakout. So it gave a little bit of a momentum move this morning. We had some great moves intraday. We've just pulled back inside that range right now. So let's see how that holds up there. So some of the good moves that we hit on the radar this morning. We had a lot. With the big gap up this morning, we had a lot hit our scan this morning, but we still narrowed it down to some great moves. We had a great pre-market box move here on AMD, which gave us a nice morning move this morning. So that was great. We also have Uber, had been on the radar for most of the day today, so very, very bullish move right here, 15-hour breakout, and another inside 15 up, so Uber with a strong move today. Another one that hit our radar early this morning was Baidu. Just a great gap and go this morning. So we had a 15-hour breakout, right, nice move right there. We'll take a look at what it's doing on the daily. So what it did this morning, right, is it, once it gapped up and it pushed through these prior highs right here, we got a nice momentum move through those levels. We talked about that last night on the live stream just to kind of catch those. So pulled back a little bit, but still over the 15-hour high. So we'll see how that continues. Really interesting today is a lot of the ones that have been hit pretty hard by the, coronavirus fears, right? So we have like LK. Right, gave a nice move this morning. So again, a little bit of a squeeze on that. Everybody's been trying to short these stocks. Win had an incredible move this morning too. With that recovery from the from coronavirus fears. So big move that's still holding its highs pretty well. And last but not least on that list is CCL. Pretty decent move up there today too. So anybody who caught that, saw that these were starting to squeeze this morning. A lot of these ones have been getting beat up a lot by the coronavirus fears have gave a little bit of a pop this morning. So one more to take a look at too is TCOM. That's an interesting one as well. This is not a telecom company. This is a travel company in China. So anyway, nice 15-hour breakout on that one too, along with the rest of the group. So a few chart requests out there. Let's take a look and see what we got. So Netflix has been pretty hot recently, right? Had a decent move today. It broke out the prior day's highs. We are above, still above that major high right there, right? We talked about that the other day, right? As long as we can get above the 2.5 highs and close above it with some good volume, right? We can see some more strength in Netflix. Hopefully it can hold up today. It had a great move this morning with the rest of the market. Let's see if it continues to hold up there. Another chart request on Amazon. So Amazon holding up really well today, right? Nice inside 15 up so far. Give another inside 15 up here earlier. And just a great move, strong move this morning, 15-hour breakout, right? Just another continuation move from these strong areas right here. Let's see where they're trying to put Amazon. A couple from last night from Shirley, so I wanted to follow up on those. So BKI, gave a little bit of move up there, kind of pulled back a little bit on Black Knight. SPCE, this gave a decent move this morning at the open that pulled back. So again, we talked about that, we basically talked about this yesterday, last night on the live stream. We may pull back, retest these levels, and then give it a move. But again, a decent little pop out of the 15-hour high this morning. PCG had a pretty decent day yesterday. We're still within the 15-hour range, so we're kind of just dojiing out here on the daily. So we'll keep an eye on that one. IQ is a good one. This is one we pointed out to our members today. This had a great day yesterday, closed above a lot of these key levels. I really like this one, and it was a good idea from last night too from Shirley. So this gave a nice pop right here, another inside 15 pop to the upside. It's still holding well above the 15-hour high, so we'll continue to keep an eye on IQ. It definitely surpassed the Huya from yesterday. So NVTA is the last one, NVTA. So another interesting one here. So we had a northern doji here, a little bit of a gap up, right? So that was nice again with the rest of the market. And let's see if that continues to hold here. We're right in the 15-hour range. And again, but generally it is bullish until proven otherwise. So great stuff here, great requests. I hope everybody has a wonderful rest of your trading day today. And we'll catch you guys at the market update. And remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. I'll talk to you.